We are at Barefoot Landing and we are going to give you a full walking tour to see what's new and everything else it has to offer. I'm Carmen, this is Brian, and if you're new to our channel, you enjoy Myrtle Beach and travel videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any new content. So let's go on a walking tour. Barefoot Landing is right on the waterway and they do have free boat parking unless that's changed. So you can come here, check out all that they have to offer, and you can pull right up on your boat. But of course they have ample car parking as well. As we walk around today, let us know in the comments what your favorite thing is here at Barefoot Landing. If you do not come here by boat, be sure to walk all the way to the waterway and take in this gorgeous view. Here's Taco Mundo Kitchen Cantina. This is fairly new. It was here last year, but it's a fairly new restaurant and it's right by the water. Here's Lulu's Arcade. This is definitely new since the last time we were there. Pretty big arcade. It's funny, I see a lot of games in common with Dave & Buster's, only Dave & Buster's is a lot bigger, but this is a lot more convenient if you're in North Myrtle Beach. And they have the Wizard of Oz coin pushers, which is something Dave & Buster's does not have. Definitely one of the bigger claw machines I've ever seen. Also new since the last time we were here is this rope course at Lulu's. That's a big one. It's right on the waterway too. This is the outside section of Lulu's. This is a restaurant that was opened by Jimmy Buffett's sister. Here's the inside of Lulu's. Here's the bar. And then they've got open air seating right on open to the waterway and plenty of fans. It actually feels good in here. In the summer, they have free nightly shows here beginning at 7 p.m. right here at this amphitheater. They have a really nice children's playground here under this big tree. Good place for it. A lot of it is in the shade. They do have a few small amusement rides for children. Got the boats, the swings. Now we're walking into the main shopping district. Barefoot Landing has a huge lake right in the middle and that gets you a nice breeze. Got Breezing Up, Pepper Palace, Olive Shop, and Black Market Minerals. Do you need some hot sauce, Brian?
Got your Bloody Mary mix.
Oh wow. Here's Umberto's, and this has actually been here for a while. Crafty Cow handcrafted ice cream. Let's take a look inside Krabby Jack's General Store. Here's the California Pizza Kitchen, always good. Here's the Christmas Mouse, one of our favorites. Let's pop inside. This is a multi-level store of everything Christmas and a few other holidays. Aunt Annie's, always a good pretzel, and this one has some ice cream as well. Got the Hat Fanatic, Wax and Beyond Candle Company, and Del Sol. Here's Joe's Crab Shack. We really enjoy eating there. We usually get the one at Broadway, but it's really good. Here's Lulu's from across the lake. Nice view from here. We also have these really nice docks that connect across the lake to connect you to the other side of the shopping district. Here's Blue Moon Trading Company and Tiki Gems. Quiet Storm Coastal Outfitters, and then My Cup. Got a Silver Shack, which is also at Broadway. There's the Fudgery, Beef Jerky, Sand and Sun, and My Mobile. They have It's Sugar, which again, they also have one of those at Broadway on the beach. In addition to all these wonderful shops and restaurants, they also have a House of Blues, Alabama Theater, and I think Flying Fish. Yeah, they've got a lot of stuff that's in the parking lot basically, so don't miss those things when you come visit Barefoot Landing. That was a great walk around Barefoot Landing. If you're new to our channel and you enjoyed this video and you like other Myrtle Beach and travel videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.